What up, Zorians? I'm the God Mod, and I'm going to show you some glitches right now. This glitch is on planet Hokataru. It's actually a really awesome glitch. Now, what you need is the O2 mask. That's all you really need. And you should have the hydro thing. You don't need it though. What you do is press start. Go to goodies. Go to in-level movies. I'm just going to pick this one because it's the shortest.
I've got it. I'll have you fixed up faster than a horny toad hopping. Well, there you are, little buddy. Better than new. That's right. I am the man. Yeah, not bad.
Now what you do, just back out. Oh look, I am walking underwater now. This is awesome, isn't it? What you want to do is don't double jump or jump too high, because you will start swimming again. But you can do stuff. And if you use the Visibomb glove, it will actually get rid of the water. But technically the water is still there. You just can't see it. Oh. And if you walk in certain places, you will also start back up again. Well, that's the glitch. Hope you guys have fun.